To create a UK PayPal account, you would need to use SOCKS 5 proxy. Don't use VPN. Search GB on your SOCKS 5. This is my own SOCKS 5 right now. If you don't know how to get SOCKS 5, you can check the video at that corner. You go to what is my IP address from my own. It is London, England. City is London and region is England. That's good. So the next thing is to go to Doga UK postal code generation, something like that. Click on this one. I need London postal code. So which postal code are they using in London? London is a very wide place. So let me just search first two letters of London postal code. So they use N1, N2, N3. They use NW. So they use all these letters. But from my IP, it's telling me E1W. Let's come to Doga. You scroll to E. So we can pick E. I'll click on create a random postal code. You can see E15 and create a matching address. This is what we need to use to create our PayPal. So let's go to PayPal. I think we have everything we need, and you need to have a UK phone number. So I do get my own from call.com. Let's come to PayPal. It will be PayPal UK because the IP is UK. As you can see here, paypal.com UK. Boom. Just click on it and you click on sign up, because that's what we want to do. Quite straightforward. So the email we just created, please note that we'll be using our correct details, like our real name, because we want this to be as legit as possible. I want to link it to our personal UK virtual account. Click on next. Then we need to enter the phone number and we'll click on next. So it said we've been sent a code and I've seen the code. So I need to enter it right here. Then we need to create a password for our PayPal account. And we click on next. Then we enter the first name, last name, the date of birth. So we need to use the same date of birth as the one we use while we are creating the Outlook. I think I put this. Click on next. Are you a tax resident of United Kingdom only? I think I'll say yes. I'll click on next. Then this is where we need to paste the postal code. We can use this automatic address. We can also add manually. We can just use the automatic generated one and click on agree and continue. We'll click not now. So we have our PayPal now. If you want to link bank now, you can link bank straightforward. But I don't want to link bank now because the gray account I want to link is not on Grand. Just click on link bank instead and you'll be able to link your bank. But I would want us to verify the email. So let's go to the Outlook. They must have sent an email. So confirm your email address. You click on confirm my email and we'll be redirected to enter the password. Then we get the code. And now we've been able to confirm the email address. So our PayPal account is on ground now. All we just have to do is to link the bank. As you can see, there's no warning, there's nothing, just a fresh PayPal account that is good to go. So this is how to create your PayPal account in 2026. So if you have any question, kindly let me know. Thank you. Bye.